Today I'm going to show you how to install a new bathroom toilet. As you can see, the porcelain in the bottom of the toilet is so worn off that no matter how much cleaning you do, it never looks clean. I'm going to start by taking off the old toilet seat. Shut off the water supply. Now drain the water out of the toilet by flushing it. And using a cup and sponge to get the remaining water out. Detach the water line.
Yep.
Then remove the tank by unscrewing the wing nuts and lifting it off. Next, remove the caps and the nuts that attach the bowl to the floor. Before you lift up the bowl to move it, make sure you've covered your floor with plastic or cardboard so you don't get the old wax all over. Stuff the hole with a towel so methane gas doesn't get into the bathroom. Now remove the old wax with a putty knife. This is also a good time to clean the floor around it. Replace the old bolts with the new ones. You're going to take your new toilet, flip it upside down, put on the wax ring, and make sure that you push it down a little bit so that it stays when you flip the toilet back over. Remove the towel and place your new toilet over the hole. You will likely need to use plastic shims under the toilet when you are done to level it out. Attach the new toilet bowl to the floor by twisting the plastic pieces onto the bolt and covering it up with a cap. Clean up the wax if needed. I didn't know this when we bought it, but the toilet already has the insides of it installed, so we don't even have to do that part. Now put the rubber gasket onto the bottom of the tank. Place the tank onto the rest of the toilet and tighten the bolts so that it's secure. This toilet included a plastic tool to easily tighten the nut into place. You may need to use a screwdriver to hold the bolt in place. Attach the water line back to the tank. Turn the water back on. Let it fill all the way back up. Then flush it to make sure it works. Attach the toilet seat by sliding the mounting trays in, putting in the plastic bolts, and screwing them on. And make sure to subscribe and watch more Minnesota Cold and how-to videos of ours.